Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual Visa card in Pakistan step by step. So let's get started. First of all, your virtual Visa card can be used anywhere in the world where prepaid cards are accepted, including online stores and international websites. But remember, some merchant categories are restricted like money transfers, tobacco, firearms, dating services, and subscription-based platforms. Now let's talk about how to use it online. When you are shopping on any website, simply select your product and go to checkout. At the payment method, choose credit card instead of debit. Now enter your virtual Visa card details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. Once entered correctly, confirm the payment and your transaction will be completed instantly if your balance is sufficient. Important thing to remember, your transaction amount must always be equal to or less than your available card balance. If your balance is low, the payment will fail. Now, if you want to use your virtual Visa card in physical stores in Pakistan, it usually doesn't work directly at the counter. But you can still use it by adding it to a digital wallet like Google Pay or Apple Pay, then pay using your phone. At the checkout terminal, select credit instead of debit and simply tap your phone to complete the payment. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.